PulsEvo Clear Lens Assorted Kit has high-quality 5mm clear lens LED in a variety of colors to choose from: blue, yellow, red, green, and white, a total of 500 LED in a single kit. Additionally, you will get 2x8cm prototyping printed circuit board and 100 pieces 220 ohm quarter-watt resistors. Clear lens LED are used in a variety of devices as indicator lights, electronic devices, appliances, and machines to indicate when they are powered on or off, or to indicate other status information, and has a long lifespan compared to traditional bulbs. A durable plastic storage box helps you to always keep the LED organized and to transport the LED kit anywhere. It becomes secured and free from damaging and breaking.